Alright, today I'm going to show you how to animate an attached object inside a Roblox character using Roblox Studio. In this tutorial, we'll make a glowing big ball move together with the character animation, like a powerful energy throw effect. First, open Roblox Studio and create a brand new project. Any baseplate project works perfectly fine. Now let's spawn a dummy character. I'll use the R15 dummy for this tutorial. Next, open the animation editor. Select the dummy character, then create a new animation. If you already have an animation, you can load it instead, but in my case, I'm creating a brand new one. I'm going to save this animation with the name Big Ball. Now let's create a simple throwing animation. Raise the right arm up, like the character is charging power, then quickly move the arm forward like he's throwing something. Keep the animation simple and smooth. You don't need anything complicated for this setup. Once the animation looks good, save it again just to make sure everything is stored correctly. Now let's create the actual big ball effect. Spawn a sphere into the workspace, rename it to Big Ball. After that, change the material to neon so it glows nicely. You can also change the color if you want a cooler effect. Now drag the big ball inside the rig character in Explorer. Next, find the humanoid root part inside the character. Insert a motor 6D into the humanoid root part. For part 0, set it to humanoid root part. For part 1, set it to big ball. And that's it. The big ball is now connected to the character rig properly. Now we are ready to animate the big ball itself. Open the animation editor again and select the character. You should now see big ball available inside the animation hierarchy. Select the big ball part and start animating it. When the character raises the hand, move the big ball upward like it's charging energy. Then when the throwing motion happens, move the big ball quickly forward to create the attack effect. You can add more movement, rotation, or scaling to make it look even more dynamic. And that's basically how you animate attached parts inside a Roblox character using Motor 6D and the animation editor. This technique is super useful for abilities, powers, weapons, visual effects, pets, and custom combat systems. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials.